Hello and welcome back to Stay at Home Grow Your Own. We looked at last time planting out the cherry tomato seeds directly from the cherry tomatoes into these modular pods, which have now grown really well, but they need to be planted on. Here I've got an old pot that had some spring planting in that I've now cleared. I'm just going to have taken the top layer of the soil off and I'm going to top it up with new fresh compost first of all to help those tomatoes get established. So we've got nice fresh compost, a couple of inches to the top, and I'm going to use my old favourite, the teaspoon, just the handle though, to help me prick them out. You can see here, some of them have grown really close together, so we do need to be really careful about any damage to their roots as we're pricking them out. I want to pick the healthiest one though, and I'm literally going to tease out the whole lot, actually on this one, and I can separate it with the roots very gently, teasing them apart, and then I've got two root balls. Both of these can actually be planted out. So at the moment I'm just going to rest them on the top to where I want. Remember, these are cherry tomatoes, so they don't need as much room as if they were the large upright tomatoes, and I do want them to cascade and give a nice bush effect in the pot. So now I've got them laid out where I'm going to want them in their final positions. It's just a case of opening up a little hole, popping it in a little bit deeper than they were planted previously, and then securing them in the pot, firming them in with a light press down. So the others can be planted out or given to friends at a social distance, of course. If I've damaged any of the stems though, obviously if I don't want to use those ones, use the undamaged. So really be careful with them. They are very fragile. Give them a very light water, and again keep them regularly watered and they'll be more than happy. They should grow up really well. They shouldn't need any support and should start cropping in about a month's time. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on our YouTube channel. Search for Abberton Rural Training and don't forget to subscribe. Happy planting!